A stack panel is one of the layout features allowing you to stack objects. The objects can be stacked vertically or horizontally. To display the objects out of the stack panel range, use scrolling gesture or the dedicated buttons. This video describes how to create a basic side menu using the stack panel feature. Save on range needed for the side menu at the right end. Set 200 pixel for the right end width of the grid screen here. Select a stack panel object from the tool chest and place it at the right end. To create the menu, select Switch from the tool chest and place it on the stack panel. Set the height of the switch, the margin, the display name, and the object name. Copying it, create multiple switches with the same settings. Change the display name of every switch. Next, place a grid object on the stack panel to create the submenu. Set the height of the grid object, the margin, and the number of cells. Select a text box object from tool chest as a submenu and place it. Set the display name. Copying the submenu, change the display name in the same way. Change the name of the grid object. Copy the grid object and paste it on stack panel. Also, you can select a stack panel object from the object list and paste it. Change the name of every copied submenu. To change the order of the objects on the stack panel, change the layer order of each object on the object list. Select an object to be moved. Open the object list. For vertical stack panel, bring forward or send backward the object to move it lower or upper. Let's see the actual operation. You can display the objects out of the range with scrolling gesture or the arrow buttons shown on stack panel. To create a horizontal menu, select horizontal for orientation of the stack panel. Adjust the stack panel object to make it landscape. The setting method is the same as the vertical one. To collapse objects like submenus, select Collapsed in the visibility property of an object on the stack panel. When the Menu 1 switch is pushed, the grid and above Submenu 1 object is opened or closed. Let's configure such a setting. Open the operation property of the Menu 1 switch. Select Word for type, XOR for operation, 2 for source. For destination, select Grid and above Submenu 1 and Visibility in Graphic Object. Configure the same settings for Menu 2. For destination, select Grid and above Submenu 2, located below and Visibility. Configure the same settings for Menu 3 to Menu 6. You can close submenus by pushing Menu 1 to Menu 6 switch. Also, when a submenu is closed, automatic position adjustment of another menu is possible.